how to install and use the Shopify app on mobile. First of all, let's navigate to and open the App Store on your phone. Once you're inside, from the bottom menu, go to the search page and here, use the search bar to find the Shopify app. Wait a moment for the results, and once you see it, tap on the downward arrow with a cloud to start downloading. The download may take a few moments depending on your internet speed. Once it's finished, tap on the Open button to launch the app. After the app opens, it will take you to a page prompting you to get started or log in. As a new user, I will click on Get Started. This opens a new page where it asks how you want to sign up. You can choose the email method, but for this demonstration, I'll sign up with my Google account. After signing up, you'll reach a page where it asks you to create a new store. At the top, tap on Create a New Store, and the app will begin creating your store. Wait a moment while it processes. On this page, you can see a free trial offer. You get 3 days free, and for the first 3 months, you only pay $1 per month. After that, the regular pricing applies, so enter your payment details to subscribe to the free trial. Next, it will ask, what can we help you do? Here, select an option according to your needs, and then tap on Continue to move to the next step. And just like that, you're inside your Shopify store, ready to customize and build your business step by step. I'm not going to add a product yet, but we need to design the store first. Tap on Design Your Store, and it will take you to a page where it asks you to enter the type of store. For this demonstration, I will enter Gadgets in the bar and then click on Generate Themes. The app will start generating a theme based on the Gadgets template. Once the results appear, you will see 3 themes generated, and you just need to select one and tap on Install Theme. This will begin the installation process, and once it's completed, your theme will be live. Now you can start customizing. Tap on the Edit Theme button, and it will take you into the theme editor, where you can make adjustments as needed. As you can see, the theme looks great on the screen. To customize, simply select a section, and a new page will appear from the bottom. Here you can see each step of the home page, which you can customize according to your needs. If you tap on the 3 dots next to each block, you can copy, duplicate, rename, or even remove it. In this way, you can customize and adjust all the sections listed on the screen. After that, let's go back, and at the bottom, tap on the layer icon, and it will open all the sections again on the screen that we just explored. Next, there is another icon. If you tap on that, it will take you to the Shopify chatbot page. This is a new AI feature in Shopify where you can chat with AI to get help if you run into any problems. Now, let's go back. Here, you can also add a new page to your Shopify theme. You can also set password protection or check the preferences if needed. At the bottom, you can explore more themes that fit your needs. Also at the top, if you tap on the eye icon, it will give you a preview of the store, showing how it will look to your visitors. Now let's go back, and at the bottom, you'll see additional tabs. If you tap on this icon, you'll open a new page where you can manage all your orders. View dispatched, completed, and in-progress orders. After that, tap on this icon at the bottom, and here you will see all your listed products on the screen, including details like active, draft, and archived. After this, tap on the 3 lines at the bottom, which will open a new page where you can see full details. You can explore everything on this page. Next, let's go back, and once again, we have the AI option, where you can ask for help if you run into any issues. From the top right, if you tap the plus icon, it will take you to a page where you can add a new product to your store. This includes adding images, a title, a description, and more. And that's it.